Good evening, student. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with proof of Thales theorem. Today you will see in this video proof of Thales theorem. This is very important theorem as per the board examination view. You have to know all the four theorems and memorize the all four theorem. That is very essential in the triangle section. So let's go to the board and see how I will solve this question, how I will prove the Thales theorem. Written see, I have written the statement here of Thales theorem. Thales theorem can be also be taken as BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. The statement is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, the the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Prove that. This is the statement of the Thales theorem. We have to prove this statement as. So first let's take what is its meaning. What is the actual meaning of this one? Suppose I have drawn a triangle ABC, and now I draw a line parallel to DC. This line is parallel to DC. Now, if DE is parallel to BC, if DE is parallel to BC, then the ratio, as per the ratio will be just opposite to this vertex, that is A. Count from this one, here A to D, AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. This will be the ratio, and this will, if I will take this figure, then I have to show this part. Okay. Second thing is that, suppose I will draw a triangle. Second is that, suppose I have drawn a triangle, this one. Now ABC. Now I will draw a parallel line with respect to AB. Now this one, that is PQ. If PQ is parallel to AB, if PQ is parallel to AB, then ratio will be just opposite to this vertex. Start from here. It will be CP divided by PA is equal to CQ divided by QB. If I will take this, then I have to prove this one. This is the similarly you will try by drawing a parallel line to AC and see what will you have to prove and what is the ratio of that. So let's go and take the proof of the Thales theorem. See, a student, this is the figure, and as per the instruction and as per the performer of the theorem, we have to write first given. What is the given? Given is that ABC is a triangle such that DE is parallel to BC. This is given. Now what we have to prove? Then to prove is AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC, that I have earlier told you how this you will select. Just go just opposite to this vertex, select this one and start from the here. Now construction. So here in RS Agarwal method there is a construction. Here I will not take any construction. I will prove some another method of this one. So first I will do the similarity criteria. First I will do the similarity process. So first is this, for this I will select in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle ADE. Boys, the naming process in the similarity process is very important. So here corresponding of angle B is D, because DE is parallel to BC. That's why this angle will be equal to this angle and this angle will be equal to this angle. That's why I have taken start from ABC to start from ADE, not AED, because naming in the similarity process, naming is very important, so you must have to take the precaution while doing the naming. So this one first is angle A is equal to angle A, that will be the common in both, Now the second is angle ABC is equal to angle ADE. ठीक है, लिखेंगे pair of co-interior angles, pair of corresponding angles, this one, pair of corresponding angles. Now from AA method, triangle ABC similar to triangle ADE, criteria will be angle. Now after similarity, you know the properties of the similarity process. Side will be the ratio, side will be in the proportionate. So select AB, make a pair of AB pair is AD, so AB by AD, BC pair will be DE, so BC by DE, and is equal to AC by AE by properties of similarity. By properties of similarity. Now after this one, see what you have to prove, that is AD has come here and AE has come in this, so we have to compare this one into this one, and then we have to prove DB. Then we have to take, see this one, all the threes are equal, so I have taken first and second, and now as per the figure I will break down AB as AD plus DB. See the figure, AB can be written as AD plus DB, so I will write AB as AD plus DB divided by AD, and AC can be written as AE plus EC divided by AE. Now divide the common divisor, separate the common divisor, it will be AD divided by AD plus DB divided by AD is equal to AE divided by AE plus EC divided by AE. Now it will be 1 plus DB divided by AD is equal to 1 plus EC divided by AE. 1 and 1 will be cancelled out, it will be DB divided by AD is equal to EC divided by AB. Now match with the proof material, what you have to prove, match from there, then you will see that it will be just opposite to the proof material. So here we will do the flip out, the both side we will flip the things, we will just, it will be written as AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Now it is proved. Here the proof of the Thales theorem. I hope you have learned, you will learn by the video. Take a good care of yourself. Thank you, thanks for watching my video. Keep watching. Have a good day. God bless you.